Hi everyone, it's Mr. Dorian here. Welcome to week 2. I'm actually really excited about this week because we get to start talking about our first unit, which is about the right to be forgotten. And maybe some of you know what that is already, and maybe some of you haven't heard it talked about in that way, and that's okay. The unit will explore all of that. You'll be exploring all of that during this week. So I have my screen up here so you should be able to see it. You're going to just go through this module. It isn't open yet, but it will be open on Sunday. And when it's open, you'll be starting here at the beginning. There's a little slideshow I put together. Has some funny information about me in it. You'll be learning about a man named Kyle Kashuv. You may have heard his name from the Parkland shooting. I believe it's almost 2 years ago now. There's a little quiz. This isn't a real quiz. It's just a way to capture what our class thinks about Kyle Kashuv. Then there's a YouTube video. This is the right to be forgotten, a broader perspective. And then a little short article. And then you see, these are all things that you should probably do by around Wednesday, the reading and kind of the intro stuff. And then there's some deeper stuff here. There's a quiz about the right to be forgotten. That's due Friday. Everything is due Friday, so you want to pace yourself, make sure you're not trying to do everything at the last minute. But there's this quiz. There are the case studies. Those are a longer set of articles that you will be reading and annotating, not in hypothesis this time, and discussing, posting first your own response and then a reply. And then at the end of the week also there will be a check-in. I'm going to do them in a little bit of a different way. I'm going to ask you to do them in a Canvas quiz. Again, this is not a real quiz. It's just a format for me to be able to capture what's working well and what I need to pay a little more attention to for you. So that's the week ahead. I'm trying to think if there's anything else that I need to say. Please remember to look at the announcements. I'm using announcements a lot, I think, because it's a good way. It feels like a good way to reach you, and because stuff is so dynamic, it changes all the time. Sometimes things are working, sometimes they're not. And so I will always be announcing that stuff to you. And it'll also be the place where I put my midweek check-in, which I'll do on Wednesday morning. Okay? Any questions, feel free to text me or email me. And I'm really excited about this unit. I hope you are too.